I say that this tune was written by Archie Hall, a great uncle of Mark Hall, and it was being called Boys to Hell. It was to do with the Clochran, obviously, and it was a tune set for the Clochran band whenever they were a flute band and beating on the skeleton drums. And as I say, there's no other band plays it today. We would play it in the field there, and there was one scattered around. But as I say, we're introducing the only young ones. This young lad here, Zach, he only joined the band there last year. Now he's have to always keep. Are you 20, more than 25 or 25 now, Zach? Not sure, but it's lost count. There you go, lost count. But he had 25 the last count cleared off in a short time. And I'll have to give credit to most of the young ones there in the band. Have all shown great interest, and that makes my job easier whenever they come with their lesson done the week before. So, right in that, just do it once for it.
Whatever Zach says.
Once through Zach, play it twice and play the way the band play it. Okay, right? 1, 2, 3. Home Yard, which is a tune. We're introducing about 9 tunes into the band. We already have 42 tunes, but we're not satisfied with that. We're going to try and introduce another 9 or so this winter. And that was something you did there at home on there. So, Home Yard is a tune written at the start of the First World War when the British in Home Yard. Written for them, and they play today, and hopefully we'll start playing soon too. Yeah. That's it. 1, 2, 3.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, can you hear me right? That concludes our evening tonight. Have you all enjoyed yourselves? Yes. Fantastic. Give all our acts a round of applause through your appreciation. Just on behalf of Cranny Cultural and Community Group, just thank you all yourselves for coming out tonight. We really appreciate your support. And if you're free tomorrow night, please come back. We have, again, as we've been saying earlier, we have Gordon List from the Ulster Society is going to give us a wee historical talk on the plantation of Ulster, which focuses around our home county here in County Londonderry. So it would be interesting just to know all about our local history. And also on the Friday night in the Royal Hotel in Cookstown, again, there's tickets available. Whoever wants to go, we're happy to give you it, so I'll sell you a ticket. We're glad to support as well. And just before we finish, I want as many of you as to stay behind as possible. We have tea here for everyone, so if you've got time to have your tea, please stay. Don't run away if you can. So for now, we'll ask upon Thomas Redfern just to say a word of grace before we serve our tea. And just while we prepare to get our table set up, have a good look around at the display.